All right, so you should have already watched the video on how to draw ray diagrams on lenses, and this is just a little bit of a tutorial on how to specifically draw those in some sort of worksheet that I might be giving you, and the same thing would be true of mirror ray diagrams as well. So here I have this worksheet where there is these questions. The intent is for you to draw the ray diagram as it extends out away from the tip of the pencil, hits the lens, and then will refract in various directions. And so since we can't physically draw on it, we're going to do it electronically. There is ways to do it. And so here's how we're going to do that. I'm going to select this area, and I'm going to hit Control-C on my computer to copy it. I'm going to then go to Insert, a Drawing, and I'm going to select a new drawing. Once that populates, I'm going to hit Control-V to copy and paste that little drawing in here. And I can enlarge this if I want to right now. So now I'm going to go to the arrow area. It says line, but if I do the drop down, I can choose arrow, which is what I want. I could even choose, I think I could change the color of it if I'm not mistaken, but I'm not terribly concerned about that at the moment. All of our ray diagrams are going to extend out away from the tip of the pencil. They're going to go and hit the lens and then refract in some direction. So there's generally three ray diagrams, or three rays rather. One's going to go parallel to the principal axis, this being the principal axis here, hits the lens, and then goes to the focal point. One will go through the focal point, and then it will go parallel to the principal axis. And then the last one will go straight through the center without being deflected at all. So I'll do those in that order. So I'm trying to go parallel to the principal axis. So I'm going parallel, not some weird direction, but parallel until it hits the middle of the lens. Then from there, I'm going to click and make another arrow, and it's going to go through the focal point just like that, and that's all I need to do for that one. Now for the next one, I'm going to go back to the tip of the arrow, or tip of the pencil, excuse me. Going to go through the focal point until I hit the middle of the lens. So make sure I have that going right through the focal point and at the middle of the lens. And then I release, and I've made that arrow. Now from that, I'm then going to go out parallel to the principal axis. Oops, I actually accidentally made an extra arrow there, so I can undo it. And then that's that next ray. So the ray goes, it then is refracted until so it's parallel to the principal axis. And then the last ray that I'm going to draw is going to go from the tip of the pencil. It's going to go through the center of the lens, and it is going to go undeflected because it's hitting not at some sort of weird angle, and it's going to continue straight. And if you notice, all three will come together and converge here. So we can draw, redraw that pencil there. And, well, I don't know, I suppose that we can just really keep an arrow or put some sort of shape. Maybe we'll do one of these arrows. It'll be representative of the pencil. So I'm going to go from the principal axis. Since the eraser is at the principal axis, then the eraser of the image will also be at the principal axis, but it will be inverted, something like that, I think. It's not the best looking drawing. Maybe I can actually put something else besides that. So let's try that again. I see. Aha, that's better. I think I chose the wrong arrow at the first. And so click off of it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So the tip of the image is right here where all these things converge. And then now I can go ahead and save and close. And it has inserted my my drawing into that segment in my worksheet. And I can reshape it so that way it's not obnoxiously large. And then work on the next one. Then I would have to copy this, go to Insert, Drawing, make a new one, and then Control-V, copy that again, and continue the process. So that's how you will complete the worksheet, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, hopefully that's helpful.